Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'll be sharing to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here. I'll be providing all the information that you need to know from prices, product codes, SKU, launch date, and product features. Of course, all you need to do is just kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot. For orders and availabilities, please check the website or your CAs. So I'm inviting you all guys, so please watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, and comment on this video. I would really appreciate it. Also, kindly follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, let us start first with the women's ski collection that will be launching October 18th, 2024. First, we have the Pochette Heels. Price of this one is €2,500 or 3,100 USD. Material is shearling in noir with contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram. It also has cowhide leather trims and shoulder strap as we could see here. Next, we have the Vivienne backpack, still part of the women's ski. Price of this one is €3,100 or 3,800 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. So this is how it looks like. So it has a fully detachable backpack strap. So it is made of shearling and nylon material, and of course body of Vivienne. You could use it actually as a bag because it has a zipper closure. Next, we have the very beautiful Cousin BB. Price is €3,600 or 4,550 USD. Material is leather with detachable leather strap, and it would come with detachable silver chunky chain strap as well. So this is the interior. I am loving the white colorway of this one. Next, we have a cream colorway, but this is the size Cousin size PM. Price is €3,900 or 4,950 USD. Material is leather, as we're going to see that the Louis Vuitton monogram is contrasting and has a dégradé effect. It would come with canvas strap and chunky silver chain strap. Next, we have the Capucines size mini. Price of this one is €8,000 or 9,300 USD. Material is leather and it is embellished with rhinestones and beads shaped like snowflakes as we could see here in the close-up, and it would come with detachable chain strap with silver hardware. Next, we have part of the Mirror Re-Edition collection that would be launching October 18th. We have Keepall size 45. Price is €3,300 or 4,100 USD. Material is vernice or patent leather in metallic silver finish. It would come with detachable leather strap and leather bag tag as well. Next collection, we have the Shimmery Emprunt collection. So the colorway of this one is Blue Frost. I have discussed this one previously, but in a gunmetal colorway. First, we have the Victorine wallet. Price is €640 or 865 USD. We have SKU here. So this is the interior. It has one zippered compartment and it has 3 card slots on the inside. Then we have the long zippy wallet. Price is €890 or 1,260 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. How beautiful is the Blue Frost colorway. It kind of resembles the Tiffany blue colorway. Material is the Shimmery Emprunt leather and it would come in silver hardware. Next, we have the Cles wallet. Price is €800. Kindly take note of the SKU. Material is the Shimmery Emprunt leather collection. So I'm expecting that when on person that it has like a shimmer or a stardust effect. So this is the interior. So it has zippered compartment and it has coin inserts on the inside. Next, guys, if you're unfamiliar, this has already launched October 4, 2024. This is the on-the-go size MM. Price is €2,550 or 3,100 150 USD. So it has the May Bean monogram canvas, leather cowhide trims, and it would have red fabric interior. Next collection, we have the men's pre-collection Spring-Summer 2024, launching October 31st, 2024. Guys, we have discussed this on the previous vlog, but how cute is this one? We have the bone pochette Cles. Price is €450. So this is the back side, which is vachetta leather, and it would come monogram canvas with gold hardware, and this is shaped like a boat. And then we have the paw key holder or bag charm. Price of this one is $830 USD. We have SKU here. So this is a bag charm or key holders shaped like a dog paw. So it could come in the shearling material with leather trims. It would be launching October 31st, 2024. Next collection, we have the Monogram Shadow collection. That would be launching October 24th. First, we have Pochette to Go. Price of this one is €960. So the colorway of this canvas is olive green. It would come with cowhide leather trims, and the wristlet is fully detachable, and I'm seeing that it comes a matte black hardware. Then we have Discovery Bum Bag. Price of this one is €1,800. So material is the olive green monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So this is the interior. It has black fabric interior. It would also have black hardware, as we could see here. So this is another look of the Discovery Bum Bag with contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram. This one, how cute. We have the Trio Messenger. Price is $3,100 USD. So I'm sure everyone is familiar that the Trio Messenger comes with a large and medium bag that is fully detachable, and it would come with a detachable key pouch as well. So it would come with lead canvas strap, so you could wear this one as a messenger bag style. Then we have Discovery Backpack. Price of this one is €2,700 or $3,350 USD. Monogram Shadow collection. Color is olive green. Material is coated canvas with cowhide leather trims with black hardware. So this is a backpack style. The strap is adjustable but not detachable. Then we have the Keepall size 50. Price of this one is €3,100 or $3,900 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. It would come on the olive green colorway, same material of monogram canvas with contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram. It would come with black hardware, detachable canvas strap, and bag tag as well. Then we have the DOP kit. Price of this one is €1,050. Same material and colorway, guys. So contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram, as we could see here, on an olive green monogram canvas with black hardware. So guys, if I haven't mentioned, this collection would be launching October 31st, 2024. Next, guys, we have the continuation of the Colormania 2 collection that will be launching November 7, 2024. First, we have the Pochette Voyage. Price is $1,200. So it would come with 3 SKU. Vert Borneo, this one is the green. Rouge Sari is the red one, and the John Saffron would be the green one. So it would come with monogram canvas with leather interior. So we have the DOP kit. It would come in many different colorways, but one with the photo, we have the Rouge Sari, and we have the John Saffron, which is like the mustard colorway. Price of the DOP kit is $1,070 USD. Monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. The interior, it is like the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Next, on the Colormania collection, we have the Christopher size MM. Price is $3,450 USD. Color is Blue Gaston. So the Blue Gaston, as you're going to see, it has a very beautiful contrast with the classic brown monogram canvas. Then we have Keepall size 50. Price is $2,350 USD. SKU is provided. Material is coated monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, which is the Vert Borneo colorway. Detachable leather bag strap, and it would come with bag tag as well. So this Colormania 2 would be launching November 7, 2024. Next, we have the Nice size BB. Price is 1,060 euro. Color is the Vert Borneo or the color green colorway. So this is the interior. So fabric interior with lines that resembles like the Louis Vuitton Everfull. Next, we have the Avenue Sling bag. Price of this one is 1,850 euro. Color is Vert Borneo, still part of the Colormania 2 collection. So as we're going to see, the interior is the same. It's a fabric interior just like the Louis Vuitton Neverfull monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. And last but not the least for today's episode, we have the Steamer wearable wallet. So wearable wallet, guys, it means this is a wallet on chain size. Price is 1,700 euros. So this is the interior and it has a zippered compartment on the inside. So it would come with detachable shoulder strap as well with leather trims that is color of Vert Borneo. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a star emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!